55 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been reported from the state. 22 new COVID-19 cases reported from MANDYA. 10 new cases from Kalaburgi. 6 new cases from Hassan. 4 new cases reported from Dharwad, and 1 death has been reported from Udupi. The total number of COVID-19 cases in Karnataka stands at 1,147. Highest spike in number of cases in MANDYA, with 22 cases being reported in just a single day. 22 patients reportedly returned from Mumbai. The number of cases in MANDYA now stands at 72. 6 migrant workers who returned from Maharashtra have tested positive for COVID-19 in Kalaburgi. This has led to panic in the district. Previously, 7 migrant workers had tested positive for COVID-19. State Health Minister Boya Sriramalu has said that many ministers have requested the union government to ease the lockdown restrictions as normal life has been affected due to the lockdown. He also added that social distancing must be maintained and masks and sanitizers must be used for the next 2 to 3 years.
ಆ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಯಾಕೆ ಅನೇಕ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸರಳೀಕರಣ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದೇಳಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಸರಳೀಕರಣ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಕೋವಿಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನಗಳು ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿ ಪಾಲಿಸಲೇಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2-3 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಮಾಸ್ಕನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
Deputy Chief Minister Ashwath Narayan distributed food kits to over 15,000 people in and around Nelamangala amid the nationwide lockdown. No social distancing was maintained during the distribution. And speaking after the event, the Deputy Chief Minister said the lockdown will be eased in a phased manner.
ಜೀವನ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು, ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸೋದು, ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಪಡೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೀವದ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಸಹ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿ ಹಂತವಾಗಿ ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಡಿಲಗೊಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಲಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ವೈರಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ವೈರಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ವೈರಸ್ಸಿನ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಂಥ ಸವಾಲು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಂದರೂ ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ಉದ್ದಾಗಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಜ್ಜಾಗಿದೆ.
MLA MP Renukacharya distributed food kits to villagers in Hunnalli in Davangere. Social distancing was maintained while the politician distributed food kits to the villagers. The MLA was also seen serving food to them. Mysuru District in charge Minister S.T. SOMASHEKAR visited Nanjundeshwara Temple in Mysuru and offered special prayers. And this comes after Mysuru was free of COVID-19 cases. Hundreds of migrant workers gathered outside the railway station in Hassan to catch a train to North Indian states including Bihar, Jharkhand and Assam. Long queues were witnessed outside the railway station. Residents of a containment zone in Davangere protested against the authorities, claiming that they do not have any food to eat. They demanded for the lockdown to be eased so that taken by essentials, no social distancing was maintained during the protest. In a quarantine center, a person was seen sleeping on the floor as no beds were provided to the inmates, and they have alleged that there is a dearth of drinking water and good food at the center. Now, this particular video has gone viral on social media. Officials are facing difficulties in quarantining migrants arriving from other states and districts in large numbers. The officials say all the government buildings are already being used as quarantine centers, and it is difficult to accommodate those arriving now. So the authorities are now approaching private building owners in order to convert them into quarantine centers. Assistant Sub-Inspector of Police from Koppal was seen accepting bribes by stopping vehicles on the highway. The accused policeman has been identified as Kashinath. The incident has been caught on camera. A 55-year-old man who was suffering from heart ailments died at a quarantine center in Chitradurga. He was quarantined 8 days back after coming in contact with a Nizamuddin Markaz event attendee. Health Department officials conducted raids and seized 5 tons of rice which was supposed to be distributed to the poor amid the nationwide lockdown. Provision store owners who was trying to sell the rice has also been detained by the officials. People continue to violate lockdown order, and this time in Belagavi. In order to buy mangoes, many people were seen avoiding social distancing and were not even wearing masks. A truck carrying matchboxes caught fire while it was en route to Bengaluru. The fire department reached the spot immediately and was successful in dousing the fire. The incident took place under Electronic City police station limits. 2 newborn leopard cubs were rescued from a sugarcane farm in Mysuru. The farm owners informed the forest officials and the 10-day-old cubs were rescued by the officials. A 55-year-old woman died after she was bitten by a snake on the outskirts of Hanagal village. The incident took place while the woman was working in the farm. The deceased has been identified as 55-year-old Parvathamma. Wild elephants entered a village in Chikmagaluru and were seen destroying coffee crops. The incident was caught on camera and the residents have been left helpless. The residents have requested the forest officials to capture the rogue elephants. A labourer died after a mound collapsed in Mulbagal in Kolar district. The deceased has been identified as 19-year-old Bharat. A case has been registered in Mulbagal Rural Police Station. A car rammed into a divider on National Highway 50, killing 3 occupants of the car on the spot. The incident took place in Kurligi Taluk of Ballari, and the deceased have been identified as 21-year-old Devraj, 38-year-old Bhima Rai and 14-year-old Anjana Devi. In a shocking incident, women were beaten up with sticks over a property dispute. The video of the attack shows men chasing women and beating them. This particular video has now gone viral on social media. Over 15 people have been injured in the incident and they have been admitted to a nearby hospital. MLA from Tumakuru Rural, Gauri Shankar, felicitated health workers for their efforts in the fight against COVID-19. The MLA felicitated the health workers and thanked them for their relentless service. Suntikupa police constable identified as Puneet got married in a simple ceremony in Madikeri. Only 20 guests were present at the wedding and both the bride and the groom were seen wearing masks. Actor Jairam Krishna was seen distributing food kits along with MLA Shivanna. The actor was seen distributing vegetables and rice among other essentials to the needy.